Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. In this meditation, we will embark on a delightful journey of making homemade popsicles. Find a comfortable space, close your eyes, and let your imagination soar as we explore the wonderful world of creating and enjoying delicious frozen treats. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension or worries. Allow your body to relax, feeling the support of the surface beneath you. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, sunny kitchen, filled with excitement and anticipation. Picture a countertop with colorful bowls, ripe fruits, and all the ingredients needed to make your own special popsicles. Feel the warmth of the sun streaming through the windows, and let it fill you with a sense of joy and creativity. Now, imagine reaching for a bowl of your favorite fruits. See the vibrant colors and take a moment to appreciate their natural beauty. Pick up one fruit and hold it in your hand. Feel its texture, the coolness and weight. Take a moment to imagine the taste and sweetness of this fruit. Gently place the fruit on the cutting board in front of you. With your imaginary knife, slice it into thin pieces. Observe the juice dripping from the fruit and the lovely aroma that fills the air. As you slice each piece, notice the vibrant colors and the intricate patterns of the fruit's flesh. Next, imagine a popsicle mold in front of you. It is a clean, empty canvas ready to be filled with your creativity. Carefully place the fruit slices into the mold. arranging them in any pattern or design you desire. As you do this, feel a sense of excitement and pride in creating something beautiful. Now, it's time to prepare the liquid part of your popsicle. Imagine pouring your favorite juice or yogurt into a measuring cup. Feel the weight of the cup in your hand and observe the liquid inside, its color and texture. Slowly pour the liquid into the popsicle molds, filling them to the top. See how the juice or yogurt gently surrounds the fruit slices, creating a harmonious blend. With your imagination, carefully place popsicle sticks into each mold, ensuring they stand upright. Visualize the sticks becoming firmly embedded, holding the fruit and liquid together. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you see your popsicles coming together, ready to be frozen and enjoyed. Now, imagine placing the popsicle molds into the freezer, a magical place where time stands still. Picture the cold air enveloping the molds, slowly transforming the liquid into a frozen delight. As you close the freezer door, feel a sense of anticipation and excitement knowing that soon you will enjoy your homemade popsicles. Take a moment to imagine the popsicles freezing, their vibrant colors and flavors becoming one. See the frost forming on the molds, a sign that your delicious creations are almost ready. Feel a sense of patience and anticipation, knowing that good things come to those who wait. Now, the time has come to enjoy your homemade popsicles. Picture yourself holding a frozen popsicle in your hand, feeling its coldness and smoothness against your skin. Slowly, Take a bite or lick of the popsicle and savor the burst of flavor in your mouth. Allow the taste to spread throughout your body, bringing a sense of joy and contentment. As you continue to enjoy your popsicle, feel a deep sense of gratitude for the experience of creating something with your own hands, and for the opportunity to savor its deliciousness. Take a moment to appreciate the effort and love that went into making these special treats. Take a deep breath in, feeling a renewed sense of relaxation and contentment. Slowly open your eyes, bringing the tranquil energy of this guided meditation with you into the world. Remember, the joy of creating and exploring new experiences is always within reach, waiting to be awakened. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.